For the Videolicious app, when you start it up, you'll eventually get to this page. If you want to watch the tutorial that they made, you can tap the icon in the lower right. You could take pictures for this using this icon, but I'm going to assume that you have pulled the pictures into the camera roll from Drive, or maybe you already took them with the iPad. You can click this and you can go to the camera roll. That'll show all your pictures, probably in the order that you've taken them, with the most recent ones being down here. These are the 5 shots that I used to make my blog video. So I'm going to pull them in, and you notice it puts a little icon in the upper left telling you the order that you've taken them. You can actually edit the pictures and indicate where you want it to zoom in. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click Save. At this point it'll say Tell Your Story, and it's waiting for me to narrate those clips. I'm going to click that. It's going to open the camera, and as you can see, I could narrate this. It's actually waiting to record me, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to click this icon in the middle, which makes it microphone only, and you can see over here in the lower right it has my pictures in queue that will be displayed. It's showing which picture will be shown on the screen right now if I was to start recording. So I'm going to start the recording as if I was narrating this right now. It'll count down and then begin recording. At this point you would narrate each one of the slides, and when you tap this it goes to the next one. You want to leave them on the screen for a fair amount of time, but for right now I'm just tapping through these. After you've got all 5 of them done, then you can stop it. It will stop after a minute on its own because you can't record more than a minute. It will generate a preview, and then at that point you can preview it and see if you like it. Assuming that it's good, you can then save that, and it'll take you to step 3. Here you choose your music, and you can just pick some theme music. You can preview it. If that's what you wanted, you could tap it. Then begin recording. At this point you would narrate each one of the slides. And what that did is it let me choose the volume that I wanted it, my narration compared to the music. You can scroll through the different filters by tapping this just to give it a different look. And you can preview it to see if it's how you want it. If you like it, you can click Save. I'd suggest just keep it on the SD version. You can name it and then save it. It'll process the video and put it on the camera roll.